In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to sculpt a nose out of clay. The first thing you're going to want to do is create the shape of a teardrop. This is going to be the shape of the nose. Next, you are going to score and slip that teardrop onto a flat piece of clay. The next step is to push the edges of the teardrop into the clay. What this does is takes the nose and blends it into the face. Next, we want to form two small balls and attach them to the bottom sides of the teardrop. These little balls will become the nostrils. Then we want to push down on those little clay balls and blend them into the nose. To create the nose holes, you can use the end of a paintbrush or your fingers to create the little holes. When you create these nose holes, make sure that they're low and slanted. And remember, they should not be perfect circles. If you need to, look at different pictures of noses to see what the nostrils look like. Then, you can use a brush to refine the shape. Make sure to check out the profile view of your nose and make adjustments. This is when you can use a little bit of creative freedom and form the nose that you wish. So there we go. You can see that I have a finished nose and I like it. So I am done. Hope you have fun.